Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to export DXF in Inventor software. Okay, for example, I will create simple part, click start to diskette and to stop plan. I will draw rectangle in here and also circle in the center point. Click finish cut and use extrude tools to convert into 3D this face, and I will move into this point. Click OK. So the DXF file, it means you need to export into 2D entities. So we need to select, like I will click at this face, or you can select this face. So the first I will go to top view and I will select this face, right click and click export face as. So in here you have extension file DXF or DWG. If you want to save DXF and fill the name, the next you can click save. So it will be automatically create for DXF files for this top view. If you want to create in front view, you can change to front view and select this face, right click, export face as, and you can fill the name, click save. It will be create for front view in DXF files. Okay, that's it, how to export DXF in Inventor. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.